All right, so I have something that I want to share with you, something that I recently discovered. But before I do, I want to ask you 3 questions, maybe 4 questions. Like, do you have internet, stable internet? Do you have a laptop or desktop or a computer, Macintosh, whatever? And do you want to make money? If your answer is yes, stay tuned because I'm going to share with you on how to make money online, something that I recently discovered. All right, so my name is Davis and this is Zim Afro TV. Before I share this information with you guys, I would like to ask you guys to please subscribe to Zim Afro TV and please click the little bell icon so that next time when I upload new video, you get notification. All right, so that stuff out of the way. So there is a website called Revcom. This one is a transcription website whereby you listen to audios and you type in what you hear. So these audios are normally they're kind of like recorded with different accents and from different companies, different people, under different environments. So some of them they can be noisy, but the thing is, what your job is to listen to those audios and you type in or correcting errors, type in whatever you hear and also correcting, making whatever that person on the other end is saying making sense. I don't know if I'm making sense. And so these are things that you need to do for you to be able to do that job of transcription or transcribing the audios. So the first thing is you need to go to their website, rep.com, and you fill in your details, create like a username, put in your email address, passwords, and stuff like that. Then the second step is you choose what kind of job you want to do between transcription or transcribing and captioning. For me personally, I chose transcription because I found it a little bit easier than captioning. Then you move on to step 3. So on step 3, this is when they will send you an email now to your email address, because remember when you filled in or you open that account with them, you put in your email address. So now they will send you an email. So on that stage now you have to open the email, then whatever they will send you, and you have to take sort of a quiz test, right, where you have to demonstrate your English. In this quiz or this test thing is you have to watch videos. You watch videos, then you listen to audio and correct if there are any errors on the transcript. I would say this is a bit tricky part, but once you get it right, you're good to go. Before you go through the audio, you must go through the instructions on how exactly they want it done. This is very important. You have to go through their instructions. You don't have to skip the instructions because those instructions are the key for you to get whatever the quiz right. This is kind of like a hint on step 3. I mean, whenever you get to that step 3 of answering the questions, the transcriptions, when you're doing this transcription, I'm not going to tell you exactly the answers on what you exactly have to put, but I'm going to give you a hint, and I'm not telling you to cheat, though. I'm not telling you to cheat. I'm not. No. But what I'm saying is, if you go on YouTube, you would find some of the answers. You know, some people, they've recorded themselves doing that transcription and correcting it, but you have to use common sense. Don't take it for granted. You have to use common sense anyway while you're doing that transcription and while you're also doing that quiz. You have to use common sense. Not everything is correct so I would say go and check it, the YouTube thing while you're doing. Once you are done with this quiz and transcript, you submit it, then you wait for a reply. I would say you have to wait for a really long time. I mean, you have to wait for a long time, probably 2, 3, 4 days, maybe. Yep. I think if you get your answer instantly, I would say that's not really good. But hey, for me, it took me like 3, 4 days. I had to wait like 4 days, I think. So I would say maybe the longer you wait, the more maybe they will approve you when you wait for the longer. But anyway, I'm not saying that. But that's the thing. So if they reply you instantly, that means nah, because I have helped my friends, some of my friends, and they got reply instantly. So I'm just saying, but it's not always the case. If you get it right, that means voila, you start making money. You start already doing what you transcribe, what you have applied for, which is transcripting. And if you don't pass, these guys, they are good enough to tell you. I mean, they're nice. They will tell you what had happened, like, you know, like a rough idea on things to pay attention to. So how much money do I make on Rev? Moolah, right? Everybody want to know how much money make. So Rev pays every Monday for the work that's done from Sunday up to Saturday before midnight. And the other thing is they pay you via PayPal. So for you to be able to get paid, you must have PayPal. This is very important. You must have PayPal. They don't use any other paying method, only PayPal, right? So, and every gig is different. Like every assignment they give you is different depending on how difficult it is, or depending on how difficult the audio is. So they range from like 50 cents per minute, like per audio minute, not your minute spending doing the transcription, no, but per audio minute, 50 cents per audio minute, up to probably $1, depending on how hard it is or how difficult the audio is. The amount of money can be higher than. So the amount of money also depends on how fast you are, and how fast you type, and how easy it can be to listen to to the audio, and also how easy it is for you to listen and type what you can hear. This is another hint that I want to give you. So you would find that most of people from different countries, I would say from the Western countries, they have a challenge when it comes to African accent, right? So this is a hint for me that if you're from Africa, like if you're my brothers from Zimbabwe, South Africa, Ghana, Kenya, big up, Mozambique, you have to, I would say, personally, I would say you kind of like, you would have to choose, you know, audios with a little bit of African accent. Our accent is kind of like diluted with our mother language. So this will be an advantage. I mean, it's kind of like, it is what it is. It's an advantage. I mean, so I would suggest you know, whenever you choose gigs, or whenever you choose those audios, choose what suits you best. So how much do I make in a week? So in a week I make between $150 to $200, which is about $600 a month, which is not bad. In countries like Zimbabwe, that's a lot of money. You can pay a couple of bills, trust me. And so I would suggest, you know, give it a try. So you gotta go check it out. This was part 1 on how to make money online. So if you have any questions or any queries, or you wanna add on something on about Revcom or anything else, just leave comments right below, and I'll make sure that I'll reply. If you know any other transcription sites, and just leave a comment below, and I'll make sure that you click the little bell icon and subscribe to Zim Afro TV, so that when I upload part 2 of how to make money online, you get notified.